Welcome back. So the question is, a cricketer can throw a ball to a maximum horizontal distance of 100 meter. How much high above the ground can the cricketer throw the same ball? So from the formula we know R is equal to U square sine 2 theta divided by G. We are given the value of R, which is 100 meter, and as it is the maximum horizontal distance, we know in case of maximum horizontal distance theta is 45 degrees. So putting those values, we get the value of U square by G. Then since deceleration is also acting on the ball in the downward direction, we also need to consider this formula as well. V square minus U square equals minus 2G H, and final velocity is 0. That means value of V is 0. So the maximum height is given by H equals U square by 2G. We know the value of V square by G, which is 100. So putting the value of 100, we get the value of H, which is 50 meter.